end of 4 months of journey, you'll have a project ready. We've been running Vietnam's Amazing Student last 2 years. There was hundreds of student team was participating in this contest, and they've been developing this project for helping solving social problem. So when you're running this contest, at the same time we also figured out there's another major gaps Vietnamese students are facing to building a projects. Most of the time, almost all the contests are promoting for the student team who already has a project. But as Vietnam's Amazing Student, we care about creating new social projects. So that's the reason we want to promote and upskill students about social entrepreneurship skill. And that's why we're offering RASE, the Social Entrepreneur Scholarship Program through GUP in season 2019. That's why we added this year. So inside the program, during the 4 months of time, you will have your team, you will have an idea, and you will learn how to build your project. You will learn about leaderships, and you will also know how to connect your projects with the community as well too. So in the 4 months of journey, you will have a project ready, which you can also bring it to the contest like Vietnam's Amazing Student or any other contest, and keep developing it and turn into your own social enterprise, or even and social impactful startups as well too. And that's exactly what we want. We want to create you a social entrepreneur or entrepreneur who can work on and help the community by solving its problem as well too. And also not only a project which also can sustain itself as well too. So that's why we're giving this RASE the Social Entrepreneur Scholarship in season 2019. If you're around that, and it's open for every majors, so apply for it, and we're looking forward to see you. All the best.